Friend. If you've been dreaming of building a business that works for you, one that's impactful, purposeful, and doesn't have you working 24/7, then I have something special for you. First, the replays of my Stop Selling, Start Serving workshop are now available for a limited time. In this workshop, I'll show you how to simplify your business with ease, shift from selling to serving, and create a greater impact without the hustle. Grab the replays here. It's pennyforyourshots.com/replays. And if you're ready to take what you've learned even further, I'm so excited to share that the doors to my Serving Superstars program are officially open. This 8-week course is designed to help you simplify your systems so you can save time and focus on what matters, shift your mindset and confidently step into your purpose, and build a business that grows with ease and serves more people without working all the time. But don't wait, the doors are open only for a limited time. Learn more and join us at pennyforyourshots.com/serve. Finally, for those who want even more personalized support, I also offer private coaching for female entrepreneurs. Whether you need help setting up technology, creating social media content, or tackling mindset blocks, we'll work together to build the business and life you've been dreaming of. You can learn more by visiting the coaching tab on my website. So what are you waiting for? Head to pennyforyourshots.com to get started today. Let's make this your year to stop selling and start serving and build the business you've been dreaming of. Cheers!